Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I want to talk about how hedge funds are still illegally shorting the AMC stock and how the CEO, Aron, is putting a stop to it. So stay tuned and let's make some money. But guys, before I dive into the video, I just want to give a massive shout out to the 700 of you that have currently dinged that notification bell, because you guys are always the first to watch a new video as soon as it's released. So be sure to drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you won't miss another video just like this one. So, all of this was recently uncovered after AMC made this filing to withdraw the registrant's registration statement on Form S3. Here's the really boring file number, 333-228823, which was originally filed with the Commission on December 14th, 2018. If we go to that filing on December the 14th of 2018, that was the issue of $600 million worth of 2.95% convertible senior notes due 2024 that was issued to Silver Lake. If we scroll down quickly, it says that on September 14th, 2018, we entered into an investment agreement with certain affiliates of Silver Lake Group relating to the issuance of the notes, with the US bank acting as the trustee. This Reddit post gives a bit of a timeline of those filings. That filing was originally entered on December 14th of 2018, relating to the September issuance of $600 million worth of convertible senior notes to Silver Lake. Convertible senior loan notes are effectively a loan that's provided by Silver Lake, and they can be either redeemed as a loan, as in cash, or they can be redeemed for AMC shares, and therefore they're listed as potential shares. However, on the 27th of July 2020, AMC translates the above convertibles to a new convertible loan with the notes dated 2026 instead of 2024. The 2024s remained listed as potential shares because the registration wasn't withdrawn or cancelled. Effectively, this was done just to extend AMC's debt obligation and to also stretch out the debts into a longer term and preserve capital. Therefore, AMC didn't need to repay those notes too early. However, on the 27th of January 2021, during the first little squeeze for AMC, Silver Lake converted all of those 2026 convertible loan notes into shares and then sold those shares. And now, as of a few days ago on the 29th of June 2021, AMC has finally requested to deregister those 2024 convertible senior loan notes that were issued but were never cancelled or never withdrawn. But so why does this matter? Well, the way this works is AMC reserves a preferred interest loan from the bank in exchange for an agreed transfer of share ownership in the form of debt notes. The bank then gave or sold those debt notes directly to Silver Lake. However, remember that the bank then replaced those 2024 loan notes with the 2026 loan notes, but because the 2024 notes were never actually cancelled, the bank still had hold of those 2024 convertible loan notes. But here's the kicker: the debt notes can be shorted. And here it is right from the debt note agreement itself. The debt notes can be used for short sales or transactions to cover short sales relating to the securities, as in the underlying AMC shares. Banks can lend these notes as shares because they're convertible debt obligations and therefore behave in the same way that shares do. Banks have the ability to present these notes as shares, and as long as they hold the notes, they're effectively the legal owner of the shares. However, as banks usually do, they double dip in order to maximise their profits on the debt. And they do this by representing these notes as lendable shares, effectively allowing hedge funds and other institutions to short those shares that the bank owns, or those potential shares. And therefore, this filing has just been made to deregister or withdraw the registration of those 2024 loan notes. And therefore, I assume if those banks have issued short positions based on those potential shares or the potential loan notes, those short positions will have to be covered as well, because obviously the potential shares won't be shares anymore as it's been withdrawn. Just quickly running the math on that. Those $600 million worth of loan notes, if short positions were taken out against those convertible loan notes at $5, that's around 120 million shares that could have been shorted of the AMC stock. However, if those short positions have only recently been issued, say at $50 per share, $600 million worth of loan notes is still a whopping 12 million shares that could effectively be recalled if these loan notes are withdrawn. If there are a large amount of short positions that have been issued against those loan notes, that's a massive amount of shorts that are going to have to be recalled. That'll obviously send the AMC stock price higher, potentially breaking out of that wedge and sending the AMC stock price to new highs. This could effectively be the catalyst we've all been waiting for that increases the volume and sends the AMC stock price absolutely flying to the moon. Guys, if you want to pick up some shares in AMC, but you haven't even yet signed up to a trading platform, be sure to check out the links down in the description below if you're in the US or in the UK or Europe to get some free shares, as you can currently get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850 with Webull at the moment if you're in the US, and a free share with free trade worth up to £200 if you're in the UK or in Europe. And as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my others. Alternatively, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers!